Hello traders, we're back again with one more setup, which is AUDCAD this time. So AUDCAD, and now before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right now. So it is, if I refresh, it is 3:21 p.m. Tuesday, 5th of May 2026 in EST. So let's come back to my chart. AUDCAD, we are on the 4-hour time frame right now. Okay, 4-hour we got rejection from the EMA, okay, and then we have this bullish engulfing candle which has eaten 1 2 3 4 candles. Okay, this one single candle has eaten 1 2 3 4 candles, so this is gonna go up, so we are long. Okay, so I have entered long here, and probably we will go for this high, but I will not take the profits automatically. I'm gonna close this trade manually. Okay, so whenever I book my profits, I will record the video, but we're gonna go long on AUDCAD. Okay, because we have got the rejection from the EMA, and we should bounce back at least until here. The time will tell, maybe less, maybe more. So I'll record the video when we book our profits. Trade is long in AUDCAD. If you want these setups before they happen, you can join the program. You'll find a link below the video, or maybe you are already on the sales page, and if you want to make this kind of money, go and join the program. Otherwise, keep watching me making these kind of videos, because I'm damn good with these things. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back with our take profit videos. So this is AUDCAD, and let's check the date and the time right here. Refresh, and currently it is 7:54 a.m. Friday, 15th of May 2026 in EST. Now this trade I closed yesterday on 14th of May instead. So where do we have our screenshot? Let's check. This is AUDCAD. You see, 14th of May. This is the date I closed the trade. And we made, I think, 120 pips in this one. So 9788 is the entry price. Exit is at 9910. Almost 122 pips. Okay. Let's get back. So our entry was at this candle, I guess. Yeah, I think on 5th of May. So it took us 10 days, I guess. Go and check the date and the time, date and time when I took this trade in the beginning of the video. So maybe this was the date on this candle we entered long and we went up, and this was your structure break low. So when this candle broke this previous low, the time was to get out. Okay. So we are out, and remember, I said that we are going to manually book our profits. We will not have automated take profit, because if you enter long here, you would be happy to exit here. You would be happy to exit here. But what I did, I said no, let the trade run, and then we took profits here. Okay, cool. This happens only, it's not for amateurs. Don't try this at your home. Okay. Don't do this to yourself without the guidance of somebody who knows what they're doing. Okay, so don't try to do this yourself if you don't know what you're doing. I knew what I was doing, because you know what, come here and see, I don't trade only one pair. You see what I trade, most of them are green. Okay, green, 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 couple of reds, but overall I am always in green. Okay, do you understand? So don't try to copy what somebody else does, especially me, because it comes from knowledge. Okay, so come back here. I think the video is done. So entry was long from here till here. We made our profits, 120 pips in this one. And if you want these setups before they happen, then go and join the program. What are you waiting for? Help yourself. Nobody can help you if you don't help yourself. Okay, I can only help you if you help yourself and join the program. Otherwise, first of all, you'll find the link below this YouTube video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. So go and join it. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay, otherwise you can just keep watching me making this kind of money. Till then, see you again.